Hey there! Do you know how to add macro button to quick access toolbar inside an Excel worksheet to run the recorded macro inside of MS Excel? If not, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add a macro button onto the quick access toolbar in MS Excel. I'll take you through the complete steps to add that button on your quick access toolbar interface, that too from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data, which will be very easy to recreate and understand. You can easily get this exercise file downloaded in your system using the link provided in the description of this video. So go ahead, watch this complete video, practice this concept in the exercise file provided to you, and become the master of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 155 and we are learning the Microsoft Excel macros and VBA tool in detail. So you have got multiple ways to run your macros, right? We have learned in our previous video that you have got multiple ways to run your macros. You have got the shortcut keys if you assign that, right? You have got worksheet buttons and you have got developer insert button, and you have got shapes as well, right, that you can potentially use. So you can do a little bit more formatting in the presentation, which might be great. If you got some automation happening on something like a dashboard, right? Nice formatting, create some branding, make it all consistent, nice sleek interface for you to work in. So you have multiple ways to do it, and you have got just a standard interface such as the developer tab macro. So from here you can select your macro and you can run it from here as well, right? So again, you have multiple ways to do it. So here is one more. Now what I'm about to show you here, I don't use a lot of, and I'll describe why here in a moment, but just a little disclaimer, it's great, you can do it, but I don't use it quite as much as something like a shortcut key or button on the worksheet. So let's take a look. Here we can add a button to the Excel quick access toolbar. Now depending on what version of the Excel you are working in, I am working on the latest and greatest. I got a Microsoft 365 subscription. So here I have got my quick access toolbar right here. Yours might be below the ribbon, right? Or it may not be visible at all. So if you don't see it, you might be in the newest version. So you can right click on up here at the top of the screen, and we have the auto save and save button, and one of the option is to show the quick access toolbar. So mine's is already shown, it's here, right? So mine's currently says remove, right? But if you don't see yours, you can just say show and it will show up down below or the above, right? If you want to show it up below the ribbon, you can just show quick access toolbar below the ribbon and it's going to show up here, right? And if you just right click and show quick access toolbar above the ribbon, so it will show up here, right? So now once it's there, either up above or down below depending on your version, I can go to the little drop down here, and here you got a whole bunch of stuff to pick from. But what I want to do is more commands. So this will open up my Excel options window, and from here you can see that I am on the quick access toolbar command. So I'm going to change it from popular command to macros, and from here I can grab my add format headers and I can hit the add button. So this moves it over to the right hand side. I can hit OK, and I have now got my button right there to run the macro. So just to confirm, I'm going to clear out the headers. And also the formattings like I did earlier. I just want to get rid of this. But now I have got a button right there, right? So I'll just give that button a click. Done. Done, 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 right? Again, done. So
रुको जरा सबर करो.
So cool. Now I think that's great. right? You can have like a whole row of buttons that you work regularly with there, and whether they are built-in features inside of Excel or macros that you have created. The only disadvantage and the reason why I don't use it a whole lot is it's specific to my interface, which is good. I'll use it because I have some macros that only are important for me. But if I want to share this with others, this macro is stored inside of this workbook, right? This active workbook. So I can send it to others, but they won't have that button, right? It's in my interface right there, not theirs. So and in order for me to use it, this workbook has to be open. So just a couple of things to keep in mind. You have got shortcut keys, you have got buttons on the worksheet, you have got the Excel interface, developer tab macros. You could run it from there, and now you have got your quick access toolbar macro shortcut, right? Now if you want to get rid of that button, you just right click on it and you just click on the remove from quick access toolbar, and there we go. So try this out, get it up there just to go through these steps so you can see how it works. And if you don't want it, you can always get rid of it. So macros and running those macros, make sure you try this one out, right? Hope you like this video.
मजा आया.
So we'll meet up in the next session. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And as I always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.